Nanood ba kayo ng Itaewon Class? Sobrang takam dun sa soft tofu stew nila with kimchi. Pero paano natin siya kakainin ngayon? Nasarado yung mga restaurant natin. Kaya gagawa tayo ngayon ng ating version ng ating soft tofu and kimchi soup with sardines.
Simpol, simpol. Luto na, ha-ha.
Simulan natin ng konting gisa-gisa lang. Hindi na natin pahirapan yung sarili natin. Meron tayong sibuyas at saka bawang, gisa. Then, meron tayong sardinas. Sardines with tomato sauce. Pwede din spicy yung gamitin natin. Yan. Then, lalagyan natin ng water. Konting water. Tubig-tubig ng konti. Yan. Then, lalagyan natin ng kimchi. To make it Korean, we will put our kimchi. So, marami namang kimchi sa mga groceries natin kasi sobrang niyang uso. Next time, magtuturo ako paano gumawa ng kimchi, ha. So, while pinapakulo natin tong ating tofu stew, sisimulan ko rin yung second dish natin. So, gagawa tayo ng Korean egg rolls. So, para siyang omelette, no? Para siyang torta. Pero medyo kakaiba lang yung paggagawa niya kasi naka-roll siya. So, paano ba siya gawin? So, meron tayong eggs. Meron tayong 3 eggs. Yan. Konting shift lang ng technique. Nag-iiba na yung dating niya, no? At isi-strain natin siya para mawala yung medyo coagulated na white eggs, no? Part ng egg whites. So, we will have a smooth na egg rolls. Then, we season with a little salt. Konting salt. And, ang secret nito, para hindi siya madaling mapunit pag roll natin, ay lalagyan natin siya ng konting vinegar. Yan. At lalagyan natin siya, pwedeng chopped carrots. Ito, lalagyan ko ng green and red bell peppers na naka-dice. Yan. Mix lang natin. Lagyan natin ng konting onions. Yan. Lalagyan din natin ng spring onions. So, ready na yung ating eggs. So, sisimulan natin yung pagluto yung ating Korean egg rolls. Sisimulan natin sa pag-init ng ating skillet or frying pan. And meron tayong konting oil. So, hindi siya oily, ha. Hindi siya yung lumulutang sa mantika. So, what we're doing, we just add a little bit of oil and we use a bit of paper napkin and spread it around. And we turn down the fire. So, hot, then low fire, and we add our egg. So, para tayong gumagawa ng crepe. So, we'll add half. Half lang gagawin muna natin to make one. Yan, roll around. Tingnan mo. Very gentle cooking. So, look at that. So, while we're waiting for the egg to firm up, gagawin natin, maglalagay tayo ng corned beef. So ito medyo nag-firm up. Nakita natin, nag-firm na yung ating egg. Then, we begin rolling. So, we loosen up the sides muna. Pantayan mo na hindi mag-brown yung ilalim. So, kailangan mo lang ng konting patience. At saka, ngayong panahon na to, wala naman tayong ginagawa. So, pwede tayo mag-inarte sa pinagluluto natin ng konti. Ganda, no? Look at that. Simple pa rin, pero kailangan mo lang ng konting patience and konting gentle hands to do it. Then, itatabi natin. Look at that. Yan. Tatabi ko muna. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Again, what do we do? Ulit-ulit tayo ng konti. Again, a little oil. Wipe around. Spread, spread, spread. Kalat lang. Not too much. Very delicate. So, bakit nga ganyan yung ginawa natin? Nag-iwan tayo ng isang part dito na walang corned beef is because ilalagay natin yung first roll natin. Kasi, di ba nakikita natin, medyo, ba't makapal siya yung gawa ni Chef Manipis? Kasi nga, double layered yung gagawin natin. We will roll over our eggs. Loosen the sides. Simple lang siya, pero kailangan mo lang ng konting care. Hindi ibig sabihin na sobrang simple. Parang you become reckless in your cooking. Very nice. So, what do we do now? We just let it set for a few seconds. Yan. Press it down and we put it aside. Yan. Look at that. Happy, di ba? So, tingnan mo, kumukulo na yung ating kimchi and tofu stew, pero wala pa siyang tofu. At hindi ko minadali, no? Hindi ko yung pinakulo agad ng todo-todo. Yung gusto ko kasi, mas lumambot pa yung kimchi natin at mas mag-infuse yung flavor. Soup is boiling and medyo nag-meld na yung flavors natin. We add our tofu. So, best dito is to use soft tofu. But now we're using just medium textured tofu or firm tofu. Anong available sa inyo? Huwag na tayo mag-inarte ngayong panahon na to. Ang importante ay makakain tayo ng masarap. Let it simmer to warm up. Yan, hindi naman natin kailangan na i-overcook yung tofu. And we just season with a little bit of patis to balance the flavors. Konting saltiness lang ng ating soup. At the end of it, we add an egg. Yan. Let's add an egg. Ako kasi, you can break the egg, no? You can beat the egg lightly and pour it. Ako kasi, yung gusto ko is buo yung egg yolk. Kaya ito yung gagawin ko. We let it simmer for a minute. It's done. Yan. And now, we're ready to plate. I'm so excited. Unahin natin yung ating egg roll. And we trim off the ends. Yan. And we cut into around 1 inch pieces yung ating egg rolls. And now we plate our Korean egg rolls with corned beef. Happy, happy. And ngayon, tabi natin to kasi our soup is done. Magpi-plate na rin ako ng soup. So we can actually add the egg towards the very end. So while mainit pa, mag-crack ka ng egg and we garnish with our spring onions. And who would have thought pwede tayong makisabay sa ating mga K-drama kahit naka-lockdown tayo dito sa bahay at mga kusina natin. Delata specials with our soft tofu stew with sardines and Korean egg rolls with corned beef. Simpol! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumaming ating mga kasimpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.